Yes, arbitrage is a scam because a lot of people are losing their money as I speak to you right now. Why? Because they don't do their research before they jump into any arbitrage opportunity. They just see opportunity and the next thing they want to do is to put their money in it. Yes, I'm going to be showing you two websites that you can use to track or to know if a website has come to stale, if an arbitrage opportunity has come to stale, so that you will know if it's something you want to put your money or dump your money and make some profit with. Because this is December period, and a lot of websites like this will come around and say, oh, and they knew that Nigerians are looking for ways to make more money online, and they're seeing the focus is based on arbitrage opportunities. So they want to take that little you have with you, that small that you're trying to gather. They want to take everything from you because this is December period why they're going to reap all your efforts. So guys, you need to be very careful before you put in your money into any arbitrage opportunity. Make sure you do your own due diligence before you jump into it. No matter what the website is all about, if you don't know anything about the website beforehand, make sure you try to check it out. So I'm going to show you two websites right now that will help you to know if this website will last for a period of time or if it's not going to do so, and if a website is legit or not. So that's what I want to do in the video. That's why I say arbitrage is a scam, because a lot of people are losing their money, and a lot of websites has come to dupe you, to take away that little which you have with you. So what you need to do right now is to I'm going to show you my screen right now. So I'm going to pick up my phone and show you my screen so that you will know what you're doing and what exactly you need to look out for before you jump into any arbitrage opportunity. Because it's so painful when I see brothers and sisters crying that they lost money on that website, on this website, and I say, why? They said they are looking for arbitrage opportunity, and because of that they are losing a lot of money. So what you need to do is, number one website is this website. I'm going to show you right now my phone screen so that you will see what I'm talking about, right? All right, so now first thing you want to do is the name of the website. Once you know the name of the website, you want to come to this website, 𝐒𝐔𝐁𝐒𝐿.com. So you put in the name of the website, and let's say you want to go with D-mining. D-mining is not an arbitrage, but it's a TRX mining website. So if you want to know if this website is legit, if they're gonna stay for a while, or if they're gonna last long, you come to this site, to 𝐒𝐔𝐁.com, and put the name of the site URL on this search button, on this search bar rather. Can you see the search bar right here? You put the name here, then you click on search. All right, so I'm gonna do that right now. Click on search. All right, so once you click on search, the next thing you want to wait for the phone for the website to load up. So it says dmining.top is unavailable, meaning that the domain name has been purchased. All right, it's functioning right now. That's what it means. So what you need to do right now is make sure you click on the name, click on 𝐒𝐔, and let's see what we have, the details of the website. This is number one thing you want to do. Check 𝐒𝐔 of the website. Check when they are going to expire. Check when they started. Check some little things. Well, I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so number one you need to see here is this is the domain name, right? This is the day they registered. This is the day it's going to expire, meaning this website is going to expire next year, March. All right, okay, status is okay. This is their server. These are name server. There, if you want to go further, you can check down and see more, but that's just the major thing you need to know, which is the day they register it and the day is going to expire, which is this and this. All right, those are the two things you need to know first. Now after which you've checked this and you see that, oh, this is cool, I think I'm good to go, don't go yet, watch this next one. So the next thing you want to do right now is you want to go to the site, to this site that is called scan. I'm gonna walk you through it now. Scan, this is scam void. So you want to come in to scamvoid.net. This is scamvoid.net. You can see it right here, scamvoid.net. and do what, and just make sure you put in the username. That's your URL here. You put in the URL of the website right here. The same thing we did on the other side. So we're going to put in there, we're going to say 𝐷mining. That's the site we're just checking out, you know, 𝐷mining.top, and click button, this search button, right? So let's do it. So once you click on the search button, you allow it to load up. So once it loads up, then you want to go a bit down. So after which you put in the URL, then it's going to bring up something like this. Then you want to check this, the site potential. This is the potentially save, and this site seems save according to the report. Okay, so let's see the report. Okay, so the report says the WOT, this is the trustworthiness. It said unknown, right? You see that? Then here you're gonna check this domain back block list status not detected. You can see website popularity, low traffic volume. You can see the domain name creation 8 months ago. So if you see website like it's creating 2 months ago, like 3 months ago, you better be careful, because you can put in your money all in the name of looking for more money and you lose everything. So guys, so after we check that, then the next one is the HTTPS connection. It's okay. Who is okay? We check who is data. So that is what you need to check. This website, this site has not been rated by any user yet. You can see that. And then domain block, we've checked this, and website potential. So this is what you need to do before you put in your money to any unknown website. If your mind is not doing it, do not bother to put in your money. Just let it go, because other people is doing it doesn't make it right, and because you are not doing it doesn't make it wrong also. So be careful and know what you're doing. All right, so that's the thing I want to share with you in this video. I'm not saying that do not do arbitrage, just be careful. December period, based on my experience so far, I know that when it comes to December like this, a lot of those sites will just, they will vanish here. They will go, you won't see them again. So, and they will tell you one story like, oh, our website's shut down, or we have too many users, so we're trying to expand or upgrade our website. So all of those things like that. So those are the time they bring up excuses just to take away your hard-earned money. So guys, if you like the kind of video I'm making on this place is to show you how to make money online and tell you the truth about making money online, and how you can also make use of your phone to make more money online. So my name is seundigital. This video is kind of video you're looking for on YouTube.
Hello boss, this is how to subscribe to my channel. First thing, click on this red button that says subscribe. When you do that, it's going to tell you subscribed. So there's a button beside it like a bell. Click on it. When you click on it, you're going to see none, personalized, and all. Click on all. Then to further help my channel, you give this video a like so that more people can see it by clicking on this 19 and make it 20. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Then you want to subscribe to my channel and be part of the family, and also you can also give this video a thumbs up if you've gotten any value at all, and I will appreciate all of that. Thank you so much. All right, if you think you still want to make more money online and you don't know what you do right now, you are confused, now you watch this video is going to help you and tell you more ways to make more money online. All right, bye.